This guide will teach you how to uninstall Windscribe from Windows 11. As you can see, we are using a Windows 11 device. You can also follow this guide if you're using Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7. Please note that this tutorial focuses on uninstalling the Windscribe desktop client and not its browser extension. Although Windscribe is a popular VPN service, there are situations where uninstalling it becomes necessary. While no reason is required to uninstall Windscribe if you no longer need it, several factors may prompt you to do so. We suggest using Programs and Features utility to uninstall Windscribe. Using Programs and Features utility will make this guide applicable for Windows 8 and Windows 7 users as well. To uninstall Windscribe, close any running instances of the Windscribe client. Make sure the Windscribe is not running in the background. From Taskbar, click on Windscribe and close it. Open the control panel on your computer. You can usually access it by searching for Control Panel in the Windows search bar. In the Control Panel, locate and open the Programs and Features utility. The Programs and Features will display a list of installed programs on your copy of Windows. You now need to look for Windscribe in the list of installed programs and click on it to select it. Click on the Uninstall button that appears above the list of programs. Follow any on-screen prompts or instructions to proceed with the uninstallation process. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the uninstallation is finished, restart your PC to ensure that any remaining files or components are fully removed. After following this guide, Windscribe should be successfully uninstalled from your device. We hope you have managed to get rid of Windscribe. Hopefully this guide has been informative and useful. If we could not explain any point properly, contact us using the comment section. We will try our best to help you. Leave your feedback, suggestions and questions in the comment box.
More info and download links can be found on softsuggester.com. Subscribe to Software Geek for more useful videos, and ring bell button for the latest updates.